So I've arrived in Bratislava, and it was a 8:30 flight from Stansted to Vienna, and then a bus from Vienna over here to Bratislava. It took about 45 minutes on the bus, all good. Arrived here on schedule. I'm currently just walking up to the castle. And we're back down again. I'm just getting back to the historic centre. We were expecting rain and it's just been cloudy, so all good. Here's the statue of Hans Christian Andersen. I remember this from last time I was here. It's a nice little central area in Bratislava, covered by trees. It's like a park area in some respects. Another little fountain with a statue on top. Not sure what that one is all about. And then it's kind of lined by restaurants and bars. And then right at the top is the main theatre building. Over there is the American Embassy, packed out with security. Beautiful weather today actually. It's not even 8 o'clock yet and it is really warm. The sun is out, the sky is blue, no clouds at all. Background here. Somewhere up there is the man at work in that direction. But for now I'm heading this way. Bratislava is the capital of the Slovak Republic, also known as Slovakia. It became an independent country in 1993 following the peaceful breakup of Czechoslovakia, an event also known as the Velvet Divorce. Straight ahead is the bridge of the Slovak National Uprising, perhaps more commonly referred to as the UFO Bridge, after the appearance of its communist-era tower. Standing at a height of 95 metres or 312 feet, it was opened in 1972 with the flying saucer on top housing a restaurant with an observation deck above. It is one of 5 bridges that cross the famous Danube River in Bratislava, a river that begins in Germany before flowing through 10 countries and emptying out into the Black Sea. Another famous landmark is Bratislava Castle, recently restored and rebuilt in the 1960s. For 200 years, one of its towers housed the crown jewels of Hungary, and these days it's home to the Slovak National History Museum. Close by is the 85-metre tall Gothic tower of St Martin's Cathedral. Consecrated in 1452 and containing 4 chapels, it is the largest church in the city. Way over in the distance are the hills of Austria, a country that is walkable from Bratislava's Old Town. And speaking of the Old Town, the city has a small well-kept medieval quarter, including historic city walls and the 14th century Michael's Gate, one of the original entrances into the old city. This is the town square, I believe, with town hall there. The yellowish building showing 20 past 11. Cannonball in the side of it from, I think, the War of Bratislava. This looks like the either theatre or opera building. Nice little waterfall outside. It's really busy today. Lots of people taking advantage of the good weather, I think. Arrived at the only pier that has a boat on it in the area that I was told, and there's just nobody here. It's like one of the hardest cruises I've ever tried to catch. It's like they don't want your money. Let's go and see if there's anybody in here we can ask. When I came to Bratislava last, I walked along this river in those trees somewhere. There's a footpath that leads to some old Second World War bunkers that were used as the Iron Curtain, and I found that really interesting and fascinating. In fact, I walked under the bridge up ahead, and then the border with Austria was just there. I walked to the bunkers in that location. The sun's coming out. It's really different weather from yesterday. It's lovely and sunny today, really warm. And there's the Slovakian flag, castle on the left, the UFO bridge on the right.